Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this numerical value type question was from chapter Electromagnetic Induction. The question is, a ceiling fan having 3 blades of length 80 cm each is rotating with an angular velocity of 1200 rpm, means revolution per minute. The magnetic field of Earth in that region is 0.5 Gauss and angle of dip is 30 degree. The EMF induced across the blades is n pi into 10 raised to minus 5 volt. The value of n is. Now see here, ceiling fan having 3 blades of length 80 centimeter. So length of the conductor that is given to you here, 80 centimeter. And is rotating with an angular velocity of 1200 revolution per minute. So here we have to convert this revolution per minute to radian per second. Keep this thing in your mind. And the magnetic field of the earth, that is 0.5 Gauss. This we have to take in Tesla. And here angle of dip is given to you 30 degree. And now the EMF induced across the blade is n pi into 10 raised to minus 5 volt and the value of n. So to calculate the value of n, we have to calculate EMF induced across the blade and then we'll compare it with this given value and we will take the value of n. Now see here, in theory we studied this thing for the conducting rod rotating in the magnetic field which is perpendicular to the length of the rod. With angular speed omega, the EMF induced, that is B omega L square by 2. Now here the fan is rotating in horizontal plane. So the magnetic field which is perpendicular to it, that is the vertical component of Earth's magnetic field. And here Earth's magnetic field and the angle of dip. Both are given to you. Angle of dip, that is the angle made by Earth's magnetic field with horizontal direction. So here from that information, first we have to calculate vertical component of Earth's magnetic field. तो चलो कैलकुलेट करते हैं. BV, that is B sin theta, B 0.5 Gauss, so that is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla into sin 30. If you solve this one, we'll get BV equal to 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. Now we have BV, omega, that is 1200 RPM. We have to convert it in radian per second. And here the length of the blade 80 centimeter, that we have to take in meter. So here substitute all the values. See here, this half BV 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 4 omega, that is 1200 revolution per minute. So 1200, one revolution, that is 2 pi radian, and per minute, so per second we can write here, divide this one by 60. 80 centimeter, that is 0.8 meter, and square of 8. Now see here, हमें EMF दिया हुआ है n पाई इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 5 वोल्ट. तो हमें इसको सॉल्व करके आंसर समथिंग इंटू पाई इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 5 इस फॉर्मेशन में प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. तो देखो E दैट इज इक्वल टू, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आएगा आंसर 3.2 पाई इंटू 10 रेज़ टू माइनस 4. लेकिन यहां पे माइनस 5 है, तो अब इसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो वी कैन राइट दिस 3.2 पाई एज 32 पाई and 10 raised to minus 4. Now write it as 10 raised to minus 5. So now compare this one with this given answer in the question. So compare it with n pi into 10 raised to minus 5. So we can say n that is equal to 32. So here our answer that is 32. Clear बच्चों?